Negate. What is it exactly? As you can see on the label, Negate is a Group 2 herbicide, which are ALS or AHAS inhibitors. Let me tell you about what else you need to know about Negate and what it can do for you. Let's start at the beginning. Negate is a unique combination of Sulfonylurea chemistry. It is a superior broadleaf weed control herbicide combined with a superior annual grass herbicide. This is an excellent tool for controlling ryegrass and poa annua to allow BERMUDAGRASS to have non-restricted growth, coming out of winter dormancy. Negate controls other various cool season grasses as well, and other tough-to-control broadleaf weeds such as Clover, Dandelion, Henbit, and many more. Here is a list of controlled weeds, just to name a few. Don't worry if you didn't catch all that. We provide downloadable literature and product labels for every product on our website. Application sites include golf courses, sod farms, professionally managed college and professional sports fields, industrial and commercial lawns, and other similar residential areas. So, what is the mode of action of Negate? How does it work? Negate contains both Rimsulfuron and METSULFURON-METHYL herbicides, which belongs to the Sulfonylurea chemical family of herbicides. Rimsulfuron is a herbicide of certain grasses and annual and perennial broadleaf weeds. It acts by inhibiting the action of ALS, also known as AHAS. Without this enzyme, the plant cannot produce specific amino acids, isoleucine, leucine, and valine, thereby preventing protein formation. This effectively prevents growth at the growing points of the plant, namely the apical meristem and root tip. METSULFURON-METHYL is used as a selective pre- and post-emergent herbicide for broadleaf weeds and some annual grasses. It is a systemic compound with foliar and soil activity, and it works rapidly after it is taken up by the plant. Its mode of action is by inhibiting cell division in the shoots and roots of the plant, and it is biologically active at low use rates. So, how does this work? The herbicide covers the leaf surface of the targeted weed. It is then absorbed through the foliage and moves across the plant cell membrane. This causes internal plant toxicity and ultimately death of the susceptible weed in 1 to 3 weeks. Death of leaf tissue and growing point will follow, while others will remain green but stunted and non-competitive. And to think, one little bottle of 1.5 ounces treats an entire acre. One bottle, 1 acre. So let's recap. With Negate, you get a combination chemistry formulation which provides superior control at low rates compared to other leading products. It provides the broadest spectrum of control within the ALS inhibitor class of chemistry. It's labeled for use on a wide variety of warm season turf grasses with a low odor formulation that's excellent for commercial and public applications. An outstanding overseeded BERMUDAGRASS transition and zoysia grass maintenance with a superior cost-effective performance. In fact, Negate can be used to selectively take Bahia grass out of BERMUDAGRASS and provides 25% more broadleaf weed control. And last but not least, 1 bottle, 1 acre. Simple. For more information on any of Quali-Pro's available products, please visit Quali-Pro.com. Feel free to reach out to our support team at 1-800-242-5562.